Hey future you, this is Gemini, day 9 of Seoul, South Korea. The sun is finally out in Seoul, and so we were really excited to be able to enjoy the sunshine and head out right away into the city. We wanted to explore a different part of Seoul today, so we headed over to the traditional Bukchon Hanok village. It's actually a very hilly area, so we climbed up quite a steep hill in order to get to this tea house that we arrived at. It was so beautiful. You could see the mountains right behind us, and so it really made for a serene view. The cafe was bustling with lots of tourists as well as a few locals as well. We took a seat because there was a huge line to enter the cafe. It actually took place inside a hanok, which is a traditional Korean home, and so we took off our shoes before we entered. The cafe had so many different varieties of tea, so we really had no idea what to choose, but thankfully the owner of the cafe actually came over and suggested 2 of their most popular drinks. So we got one of the warm teas, which was this pear tea, as well as one of the cold teas, and that was this lychee flavored tea. The owners of the cafe were also kind enough to come over and explain how to properly brew the tea. We enjoyed the drinks while talking as well as looking outside the window and enjoying the view from the mountains, and then we headed back out into the Bukchon Hanok village. The weather was really nice today, so it was great to be able to walk up and down all the different alleyways inside Bukchon Hanok village and just enjoy the serene view at the top of the hill. We walked around for a little bit longer, but eventually we were quite tired from all the steep hills, so we decided to head back down. Once you arrive near the bottom of Bukchon Hanok village, you'll find lots of different stores. So we found a Sobasu, which is a Korean skincare company, and then there's also just various hanbok rental stores, so you're able to rent hanbok and wear them while you're taking photos and things around the area. We didn't get to try this out, but hopefully one day we'll be able to. After that, we decided to head towards the Samcheongdong area. It's very easy to get there. You can actually find the staircase that takes you all the way down to Samcheongdong. Samcheongdong is such a beautiful area, and there were so many cafes there, so we were having fun looking through all of them. There were also a lot of different stores, like the soap store that we found. The owner of the store was so sweet. She explained everything in her store to us and also gave us a lot of wonderful samples to try out. After that, we were a bit hungry, so we decided to walk around and try and find a place to eat. We stopped in a few different stores, but we eventually settled on this little tteokbokki Seoul. It was so good, the food was amazing, and the staff were so sweet to us. We looked through a few different cafes on our way throughout Samcheongdong up to the front of the street, but eventually we decided to just head towards an E-Mart, which is always our favorite, and grab some snacks for the ride home because we were quite exhausted from all the walking. We picked up these binge crackers, which ended up being really good, so we had to go back and buy another set as well. We also tried out the strawberry flavor, which we're still not sure if we love it or if we don't, but it was still nice to try out. After that, we actually took the bus home because we were quite exhausted from our day, and so we decided to just come back and organize all of our snacks inside our little basket on our kitchen table, and then also our little K-drama closet, which is where we keep all of our chips and just more snackable items. We had so much fun exploring the Bukchon Hanok village, and we'll definitely be back to try on the hanbok as well as explore more cafes and restaurants in that area. But for now, we actually have to get back to our school week, so wish us good luck.